here's a little before. IKEA, of course. I'll link what we bought and used to make like the long table here. And then we just have like little glass cabinets right there to put all his little hypebeast toys. So yeah, so this space is kind of like my workspace slash makeup space slash I don't know. So we're gonna redo this and make it nicer. Honey, you gotta get up and do it because I have to film you.
Okay.
We are gonna organize, try to get this in order. Let's see how it goes. Like Kilo's area. All of his stuff. I didn't want to get like a fancy smancy vanity mirror. I saw this on Amazon as a good alternative, so let's see how it goes. Basically just want a big couch for now, but I'll organize it.
What's that, Samuel? Mr. L. Jackson?
Just came out of the box just like that. Good size. I didn't want it to be too big. So it came out of the box just like that. Ooh, there we go. Voila. The light is on. It's the large size. I'll link everything in the description below. It's very bright. Okay, so different settings. Okay. Alright. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Thanks, babe.
So when I cleared the table off to organize, somehow the last couple of days there's more junk. So we are back to part 2 or day 2 of trying to get this area clean for me. Some goodies from Amazon, of course, and I'll link everything in the description below. Let's get organized. I literally forget what I order sometimes because I thought this was my makeup organizer, but this is my new jewelry organizer. It's so cute, a little gold hardware, and I love that it has more levels. That's really good. Ooh, super nice. Okay, I love this because it has a lot more compartments to put your fashion jewelry. Most of our fine jewelry goes in the safe, but like my everyday wear I put here. I love that they have this too. It's a bracelet holder or watches that can be at the bottom, so Tiny and I can both use this. It's super cute. This is my old one that I have. I think I got this at Home Goods, and it's definitely been like beaten up. So excited to organize and put everything in here. This is what I ordered to organize my makeup. So even though I have drawers, I like to have like everything I use day to day in one area, and this looked like the vibe on Amazon. Well, check it out. I like that it has a handle, so I want to like take it with me to the bathroom or something too. I can also do it. Okay, there she is, little tabletop makeup caddy. And I also like that it has a cover. Like that was really important to me because I don't like dust on my makeup brushes, but I also don't want them in drawers, if that makes sense. So I wanted something like this on the tabletop, so when I do my makeup, it's like everything's in reach. Super cute, super cute. It comes with like a little makeup brush holder, so it fits a lot. Like I'm gonna be able to put really tall bottles in here. Let's just see. Water bottle. Okay, water bottle fits on top, which is nice. So my tall brushes are there. Oh cute, it has a little mini organizer too. Cool. Has a little mini one. I think you can put this inside if you want or outside. All right. And then makeup brush holder. Super cute. I could put it on top of the table. I'm gonna put things in there right now. But I love it. I love that it has a lid, little drawers. Actually, these are not little, they're pretty spacious. So hopefully, okay, this will fit my everyday stuff. I can just leave it on the counter. This fits a lot, and I'm trying to, like, again, not clutter up more because yeah, it fits so much. But I probably might add my sunscreen and like my face lotion or like my everyday look because I could just sit out here and do it versus the bathroom. But yeah, it fits a lot and I love it. I love that it has a cover. Like, this makes me so excited. Okay, my area is nice and clean. This area is, I mean, like, but I feel better. It's nice and organized. I have a lot of table space to do work. I'm probably gonna get another chair because this is like Chinese gamer chair and not the vibe. But I love my crystal. I have my vitamins. Again, I really like this. This is so nice. This is my everyday out the door get ready. I'll put everything in the description below. I always start with butter balm on my lips and then moisturizer on my face. I'm having some flare-ups from my psoriasis right now, so my face is a little bit more red than usual. I love that Dr. Jart drops. This neutralizes the redness in my face and gives a light coverage. It already has SPF, but I like to mix it with the Supergoop Daily Dose for some extra protection. I just do equal parts of both. Then just apply it all over my face. I just love the combination of these two products together. It's super easy on my face and gives the hydration that I need. And then I finish off with a little bit of perfume, and then that's my 5-minute out the door glam. Now for my 10-minute glam, when I just want to take it up a little bit more, I apply this bronzer by Makeup by Mario, and I freaking love it. It's so easy to apply. I apply it in my cheeks and my eyes, and I bring it down to my nose super quick. I add a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes because yes, I need it, and down the bridge of my nose to give me more of a pinch snatch nose. I just blend it out with a beauty blender, focusing more on my inner corner of my eyes and the side of my nose, and then doing the same on the other side. Then I blend out that line that's down the bridge of my nose. Then the next step is applying some blush. I love this product because it has everything all in one. So I always do the cream first and layer that on. Once I have it to the pigment that I like, then I go in and dust the powder version right on top. And I kind of lightly like brush it on top of my eyelids and around my nose. Now I'm gonna layer my contour on top of the bronzer that I put on earlier. So basically wherever I lay cream, I put like the corresponding color right on top to set it. Bronzer or contour powder is nice because it kind of gives you that defined look but not doing too much. And then I add a little bit of the light highlighter down the bridge. Next is applying eyeliner. So during the day I usually like to do brown liner just because it's so easy and soft looking versus like a harsh black. This one is really nice because it has a brush on one end and then the pencil on the other. Super easy to glide on and to smudge out all in one. Also, I like using pencil to kind of do like that wing liner just because my eyes are uneven and you can't tell really. Now setting my under eye with some powder. Like I said earlier, wherever you put cream, make sure you set with powder on top. Now I'm setting the rest of my face. Now I'm just gonna overline my lips just a smidge. I love the Makeup by Mario products just because I love that they have a brush on one end and the product on the other. Super convenient. Then I apply just like a light gloss. And then going in for some more blush because why not? I usually also do my eyebrows first, but I forgot, so I'm doing it last. I also love this product for every day because it adds fibers and just fills in where I need it.
All done.